Bet you didn't think you'd see me so soon. Cue the intro. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you something really cool, and this is going to be all about organising tools. Now you'll notice that on my channel quite often when I'm filming, all the tools get in the way, they're all over the place and they scoot around the tile, and to be honest they just get in the way. So I've come up with a design that solves that problem. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what they look like now. So this is the tissue blade holder. So as you can see, I made lots of little markings in it that were quite tight. So these aren't massively wide or anything like that. And the reason for that is because you can put a tissue blade in any one of them. So right down the middle, there we go. There's your tissue blade holder, and it will sit on your desk as you're making things, and it's safer as well. So I'm going to pop some more in so you can see how they hold, and literally all sizes. They're absolutely brilliant, and they will hold all of your tools in place. Now I've got some bent ones as well, because I've used them for sort of rounded projects. So it's literally just finding that mark and basically sliding it right in. Now as you can see, they actually hold as well. Because I cut them with a tissue blade and then didn't put any bigger tools in, it basically means that it holds it really, really secure. And when you sit it flat on your desk, it's going to just sit there and wait for you to create things. So I'm going to move on to the next one now. So this one, I love this, absolutely brilliant. So this is how big it is. So I like to do this bit of the video so that you can see just how big it is. Now I have made one of these before, but what I'm finding is that I didn't have enough space for all the tools that I regularly use. And I wanted also them to be deeper because I wanted the tools to be able to kind of sit in them and stay secure. And also what I noticed as well is I didn't have a flat area for my tissue blades. So they were kind of just hanging in there as well. So I was ended up putting lots of tools in one thing and then it being just as complicated to use. So I made this flat piece here, so you can lay your tissue blades down here. Although they don't stay in as well as the other one, this is great if you're picking it up and putting it down. And then I've got one at the end there as well. I just like the way I've kind of done this because it just means that you can put something at the end here as well as something here, or you can fill it right up and put it on your desk and everything is going to stay put while you're creating. So I'm just going to show you when it's flat, and I'm going to pop some tools in so you can see exactly how it works. It's kind of obvious, but I'm going to show you anyway. And then it's basically just like this, and they all sit really nicely in here as well. So I mean, your table's not going anywhere, so it's just literally a tidy, so that while you're making things, you know, they don't get in your way and they don't slide about. So and then obviously if you did have a tissue blade and didn't want to make the other one, you can just pop that there and it stays put. You haven't got to then pop it on top of something else. So I wanted to show you like this, you can actually see how it works. Also, I forgot to mention that I coloured it in silver, so you can actually colour clay in any colour. So this looks metal now, and I absolutely love that about mica powder. Just literally, I had quite a lot of scrap left. I'm still working through it. I've got some here, and it's not scrap anymore because it's now a tools holder. But yeah, they look absolutely like metal, which is absolutely brilliant. And this is quite heavy, so it actually stays put. It's not going to fly away off your table or anything like that, and it's going to stay put while you've got tools on it, and it's not going to get in your way. So this is how you make tools holders from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So this is the little, what's it called? What's it called? So I made it and I can't remember what it's called. Wicked. So this one is the tissue blade holder. Tissue blade. Oh dear God. Help me! And it's literally, as you saw, lots of little marks that create a little, what are they called? A slice? Slice and dice. God damn it. Take 3. Pop it in. Oh dear. You haven't got to then pop it on top of something else. So I wanted to show you like this. You can actually see. Whoop. Let me know if let me know in the comments below. See you later. Bye.